Alright, I got the Trebuchets built. Now I came out with some good friends, Steven and Mike. We're going to launch and try to hit these little targets, see what we can do. Got some apples, some water balloons, and see what kind of fun we can have with these. So let's get it going. The first post, we're at the first post, and then go to the second one and the third one.
Now, can we throw water balloons at people?
Yes! Interview with Mr. Bewley here. Now, what are we trying to do to get this to hit that middle pin?
So we moved up and we're turning further to the left.
All right.
Hopefully that works.
And Are you checking your angle, see what your release angle is, make sure it's not getting too much of an arc, and maybe you need to change your pin to get a more flat trajectory?
Yes.
All right, let's see what happens.
It's like now, like everything's down there.
All right, so what happened? You pull the pin and it just kind of
Yeah.
lingered. And it had
Yeah.
a little bit of a rise, but
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
it kind of sputtered out and failed.
Yeah, a little misfire there. Calculations off. Gotta
Just for
get
the
the
wind.
whole wind adjustment. Not easy.
It was the wind, right?
Yeah.
We'll
Blame it on
blame
the
the wind.
Blame it on the wind.
All right, let's get back in and try again.
Going straight across.
Okay, so we had a pretty good day. Had Mike and Steven come over. Haven't seen those guys in a long time. Took the trebuchets out. Had a pretty good time with those. There's a couple of modifications I think I will make before we take them out again next time. So we noticed that we were shooting them and we're making adjustments to the release pin because it's soft wood. After a while, we would set the pin, we'd make the adjustment, launch, and the pin would be right back where it was. So I think maybe next time, or before we take it out again, I will possibly drill one out and put a piece of oak in, something that's going to be hard and maybe hold the pin a little bit better. And on the other one, maybe just drill it out and epoxy the pin in and see if that makes a difference. And then the next thing I'm going to do is for the little bar, the all thread that was holding the weight, make it a little bit longer. You saw we were trying to add some extra weight to it. It'd be nice to have a little bit longer all thread to add that weight so we can watch a little stuff that's a little bit more heavy. But other than that, I think we had a good time. I know the kids had a great time, and they're trying to get me to take them back out there again. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Thank you.